Okay, so after doing this, what we are going to do is we have to improve the designs. Okay, so you go back to the design view, then we have to rearrange all these. So what we are going to do is, let's select all these. All right, select all these. Okay, then right click, select again, right click, select the size, make it or change it to widest. All right, so select it again, alignment to left. All right, so let's move on to the second one. Select all, let's see, alignment to right as such, but we have to redo it. Okay, so go back and let's make it the widest form. So size is widest. All right, so this is how it is. All right, so let's try to increase this one. Let's try to enlarge it for small. All right, so here we have to rearrange it all. Okay, rearrange it all. All right, it's okay. Then let's move on to this section, highlight all. Then let's decrease the size. Let's decrease the size for a bit. Let's decrease the size. All right, so Control S to save. So what we are going to do is we are going to do something. We are going to add something here. We are going to add a button over here. Okay, so here let's select this button. Sorry, no, go back. Sorry, go back and select. You are supposed to select this one for the work. So you double click to select. Here you drag. All right, so this is how it is. Okay, you increase it, you increase it. Okay, so let's set a color for it. Okay, let's set a color for it. So here you go, you click here, or you click on the diagram, then you go to format. All right, so let's add value to the form. So here by clicking this or by clicking here, I want to add, let's say columns to it. Okay, so here I will just double click to add column. Here too I would like to add the same column. Here too I'll add the same column. The same column here. The same column here. The same column here. The last one, the same column here. All right, so let's shift this small a bit. All right, so here what we are going to do next is you're going to add a fill color. Okay, so here you have to select all these. Let's select all these. Make sure you have to be creative. Okay, be creative. Make sure you match the colors to face your fill color. Okay, all right, so the fill color, I'm going to choose the same color as this, as filled color. All right, so you can see what has happened right now. So no, let's redo it, make it white. Then let's change, or let's make it outline shape. Okay, so let's set an outline for the shape. So outline, I want this color. Okay, so let's set an outline size. So we have line thickness, so you can choose to use this one. All right, so the same thing applies to this too. highlight it, go to outline, the same color, go to outline again, set to the second one. Alright, so Control S to save. So right now what we are going to do is let's preview it again and see our form view. Very good and very nice. So what we are going to do is we have to get rid of this one, and also we have to change the name, but we have to put in the parent name as such. Alright, so go back to the design view. So here what we are going to do is we will format it and we will just change it to the pop-up menu. So pop-up menu, what we're going to do is you go to others, you can see. Alright, so go to format again, then let's change something before we change it to the pop-up menu. So okay, so after doing that, so let's change this one. Okay, so let's change this one. So you can decide to change the fill color of this section by clicking the form header. Okay, and if you want to change the color of this or the color of the background, want to change the color from white to any color, click on details to change the color. Okay, alright, so here I'll drag it a little bit at the top. Okay, drag again a little bit at the top. Alright, so here I want to change this to parent form. Okay, so what you're going to do is you have to retype it again, parent form. Alright, so this is how it is. You can modify it. Okay, you can change the color as well. Let's change it to black. Alright, so this is how it is. Parent form. Let me increase it. Sorry. Alright, so let me calm down a little. Just okay. Alright, okay, so let's preview it and see what will happen to our form view. You can see it has changed, right? So that means you have no right to touch the form header. Okay, so let's go back again, go to design view. Alright, so click here again on 2. Alright, so we are done with this one. We are done with this. Control S to save and go